Mojo is here. Gem guys. So guys, we're going to get into this fair launch or pre-sale by Pingo Coin. So basically, what is Pingo Coin? So Pingo Coin is a meme coin on the Shido blockchain. Normally we don't do a lot of meme coins here on this channel and in our community, but when the meme coin has a use case, a good supply, and a good roadmap and tokenomics, we tend to look into it properly. So the Pingo meme coin is different because it is one of the first meme coins as well in the Shido ecosystem. It combines the charm of everyone's favorite animal, of course, the penguin, and of course, which is the energy of meme coins and a community-driven approach to focus on fun. So Pingo, in their opinion, is poised to become the coolest meme coin in the market. And remember, it is in the Shido blockchain. This is the latest raving blockchain of the moment, which is super fast, scalable to infinity, and of course EVM compatible and CoSWASM compatible as well. So if you take a look at the roadmap, which is what I'm mostly interested in, you see that they have a tokenomics of about 50 billion, and of course they are planning to build the Pingo swap on Shido. So this is really interesting. A further look here shows that they have started something here. They have the token creation here, which is Pingo. Their website is created, which is where we are. They've created their Telegram group. They have a Twitter handle as well. And of course, in November, which is this month, they will be marketing the Pingo token, betting launch, add liquidity to the token, and of course, airdrop launch, do some partnerships, launch of marketing campaign, and of course, the first token bond. So yes, the 50 billion is the maximum supply, but of course, it is not going to be the total supply. So there's definitely going to be some burns. And of course, in December, that is about 2-3 weeks from now, there's going to be a distribution of NFT to token holders, and of course the launch of their swap and some centralized exchange listing if they find the ones with Shido network available, and of course distribution of NFT, as I said, to token holders. So I think this is a good enough roadmap to ape into this kind of meme coin. So how do we ape into it? We simply do that by getting osmosis and swapping to Shido in the Keplr wallet, and I'm going to try to guide you through the whole process. So this is Pingo Coin. Let's try to see them on Twitter. Let's see. Yes, that is Pingo Coin here. Let's see them on Twitter. So this is Pingo Coin on Twitter, guys. Yeah, they're the next big meme coin that combines the charm of everyone's favorite animal, of course, the penguin on Shido. Okay, so there they are. So let's see what they have to offer us. Okay, and of course they're gonna have staking as well, where they'll be giving a 15% APY to make it attractable to investors. So of course, if you make sure you have your notifications turned on my Twitter, you'll be able to follow and keep abreast after this pre-sale. And of course, I will let you know once the staking is live so that you can stake and earn more on your investment. Okay, all right. So guys, yes, I'm going to drop the link of the buy from Gempad in the group, our Telegram group, and of course in the description section of this video. So yes, this is Pingo, okay, on Gempad. As you can see, the sale is live, and it is going to end in 4 days and 21 hours. So that's about 5 days. You have about 5 days to buy your Pingo token. Okay, so estimated launch is 5 days and 9 hours time. So let's say a total of 10 days before this is going to be launched. And of course, as you can see, someone stated here that they're developing their own swap which will add value to the project, and it will be a gem in this bull cycle. Okay, there you go. So there's a lot going for us on Pingo. So first of all, let's go to the centralized exchange to get our OSMO, which we are going to use to swap here using the extension Keplr Wallet extension. And of course, we've made sure that we deactivated the other extensions there, okay, so that only Keplr Wallet is activated, okay. The rest are deactivated. As you can see, deactivate all of them, okay. I have deactivated all of them. I'm gonna go back there and deactivate it, so only Keplr is on, okay. Great, I just want you to note that. All right, and then we are going to swap, of course, inside Keplr Wallet as well, okay. So what we need to do is to get our Keplr Wallet, okay, here, and copy the address for osmosis, which I have activated. And of course, make sure you have also added your Shido chain by coming here and clicking on the add more chains. You just need to search for Shido chain, okay, and then you can add it. It is added already, as you can see, added here. So you just need to add the Shido chain, not the test net, but the main Shido chain, okay. Yes, let's go back. So we're gonna just get back to the Keplr extension here, and of course copy the wallet for osmosis, and then go to the exchange to receive osmosis here. So what we're doing is to try to add osmo here. As you can see, we're just trying to add osmo to the Keplr wallet, okay, by coming here and searching for OSMO here, OSMO, okay, and click on manage. So we're going to highlight that here and save, okay, so that we can see OSMO in the access that we are going to use. As you can see, we can see OSMO. So we click there and click on receive, then we copy the address, then head over to our exchange here. So we're going to buy some OSMO, okay, here. So just let's quickly get some OSMO from here, probably change to the market, and just total, let's buy OSMO for about, let's say $60. Oh, sorry, I need to limit that and put in total, okay. So and buy for I'm buying, sorry, market price total, yes, $60 worth of OSMO, okay. So go to wallet, withdraw OSMO on chain, of course, paste the address, select network OSMO as well, and of course withdraw all of that, confirm. Then we're gonna put the, of course, the passkey verification and withdraw that immediately. All right, so we have put in that and we've set it to be withdrawn. So we're going to refresh to confirm. Now it's completed. So let's head back here and see if we can find our OSMO here. Let's see if our OSMO is here. So let's refresh that to confirm. Okay, yes, the OSMO has landed. So next we're going to click on swap. And of course we want to swap the OSMO here to Shido. So we're just going to, okay, reset data capture. Okay, cache, sorry. And then we're going to search for Shido here. So Shido, okay, it's there. So we want to swap from OSMO to Shido here. So we're going to just probably have 130 Shido, OSMO, sorry, to Shido. And of course, click on next. So let's see, approve that. There you go. So we're going to approve. That seems to be swapping, of course, in progress. Let's wait. So I have received 74,000 Shido, as you can see. So now let's head back to get the link of the Gempad pre-sale to buy it. Okay, so we're gonna head back to Gempad now by coming here and just maybe refreshing the page. As you can see, the Shido has appeared already there. So how many Shido do we have? 74,000 Shido. So we're going to buy Click on buy and let's see. 100%? Hell no. We're gonna buy lesser, of course. Maybe, yeah, 74k only. Okay, yeah, okay. So 100% is 74k 216. So let's buy lesser than that. Just 74k. Okay, yeah, 74k is enough. Okay, and then click on buy Pingo. Let's deposit. So we can also be able to the fee is 30 Shido 30.2. So let's deposit, and we can see the fee left there. The listing price for one Shido is 8,900 Pingo for one Shido, while the sale price is 11,000. So automatically it's in profit from listing price day one. Okay, so we have 5 days to the launch date, and of course 4 days, and okay, let's just say a total of 10 days for everything. Okay, so if we refresh, we should be able to see the balance of Shido that we have, that it has reduced. Let's see, can we confirm that? Yes, so just 194 Shido is left in the wallet. So this means we have successfully got in on the Pingo sale. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the referral link there for everyone to be able to buy. Okay, so let me just copy that. Okay, so that you can be able to buy as well through the referral link. So check the description section of the video to get the referral link on how to do everything from withdrawing your OSMO from your centralized exchange to your wallet, to swapping from OSMO to Shido, and of course buying the Shido token. Okay, don't forget that Mojo is out.